All right, good morning, everyone. Mike here with the watch list video for Tuesday, September 17th. Quick reminder, by the way, sorry I didn't get the video out last night. I told y'all I had a thing and that I would do it this morning. So this may be the first watch list video I've ever done in the morning. The market holding up really well. I just want to remind everybody that FOMC is tomorrow. Actually, the meeting starts today, but the announcement's tomorrow too. I believe there's a conference or whatever you want to call it at 2:30. So expect some volatility after that, and before that, usually it's pretty dead. It was, as far as I know, I left early yesterday. Again, because I had a thing. I had the whole family together. I just didn't want to miss it. So don't get to do that often. It was pretty cool. So where are we? So SPY pretty close to all-time highs. Wouldn't surprise me to see new all-time highs, but again, I never make any money off predicting the overall market. I day trade, right? So had a decent trade yesterday, and then again I left early. So anyway, what are we watching? Oh, you know what? Let me put out that thing. There it is. This is specifically designed for new members. So if you're new, pause the video and read that. All right, so anyway, what are we going to watch today for possible day trades? And again, I want to remind everybody that FOMC announcement tomorrow. Usually the Monday and Tuesday before that are pretty dead, and so I don't expect a lot today. But you know, we'll only need one or two good setups to have a good day, right? So DJT had that big pop on Friday. Quiet inside day today. Or, sorry, yesterday. See, I'm used to making the videos at night. Quiet inside day yesterday. So possibly a third day play there. It goes on watch. SMR, kind of interesting. Had nice volume yesterday. So maybe a break over the 2-day high there through 10 or something. We'll see if it gives a setup. GNLN had a nice pop yesterday, but closed well off its highs. Still deserves a spot on the watch list. Kind of the same thing with SMX. Big day on Friday, quiet inside day on Monday. ALT, again, kind of had a big pop on Friday, quiet day on Monday, looking for a third day play there. IMRX, big pop yesterday, but closing well off its highs. Still an in-play stock, so we're going to watch it. Same with BBLG. I don't think anyone could figure out why it was popping. So who knows, but it had quite the reversal there, right? And a big day. We'll throw it on the list. WHLR. You know what? Kind of interesting anyway, right? Because he had the huge move here and then the bounce and kind of an inside day there. But more interesting because as I'm talking to you, in pre-market, it's trading at 971 and went as high as 1178 this morning in pre-market. So anyway, right now it's trading up in this area. So throwing that one on the gap playlist. NVAX had the pop on Friday. Quiet inside day. It's like a theme today, right? Looking for a third day play there. ASTS, inside of yesterday's range, but closing at the highs. Certainly interesting. REE, big pop yesterday. I had a nice trade in that one yesterday. LSCC, trying to break out, put the horizontal line at the most recent high there. Nice volume, so trying to break out. We're going to watch that one. And then some gappers. GLMD, there's the daily, closed at 387. Right now it's trading at 618 in pre-market. ALLR, nothing interesting here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Closed at 338. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 427. So that one goes on the gap playlist. Intel, INTC, has this big island down here after that nasty gap down. As I'm talking, it was trading at 22.29 in pre-market. So what was this high? 22.12. So it's kind of up into this gap, right? And then lastly, nope, not lastly, RLMD closed at 303. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 350. So potential gapper there. SMSI, let me get this one up. Closed at 52 cents. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at $1.07. So there's the list of gappers. And we'll see if any of those pan out. We'll look for the A+ setups after the open. Maybe we get a pre-market trade in some of them, which, by the way, pre-market for me, 7 o'clock is opening right now. So I'm going to wrap this video up, and I'll see everybody in chat. Let's have a good day.